Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have a Motorola Edge 30 Neo with a very broken display. So let's go fix it. So this Motorola seems to have been dropped, and the repercussions on that impact is now showing clearly on that display. So it's not going to be usable anymore. It's just going to grow and literally grow all over the display. So while we still can, we're gonna replace the front display. First thing we're gonna do is remove the back cover. The back cover is made up of plastic. You can see it's very flexible. Also pour some IPA on it. We're gonna unscrew the main board cover so we can remove it. There's some screws hidden. I'm gonna remove that cover. Then another cover for the battery. So you have a very large battery, and this cover seems to be attached with some strong adhesive tapes. So I'm gonna remove that as well. We're gonna detach the battery and the display connector so we can attach and test our replacement display. So we're gonna try to turn this on. There's a lot of flaps attached to the device, but we managed to turn it on successfully. You have the Motorola logo, think shield. Display is working, but still very dim. We can adjust that. Maybe the smartphone is in power saving mode. Increase the brightness, and you can see that it's working. Touchscreen colors are all working, but David is gonna shut it down for now. It's not gonna be a comprehensive testing. We'll just see if the display is all good, because sometimes we receive displays here in the shop and it's got some blemishes, dead pixels, or downright not working. So that's the initial testing that we do. I'm gonna remove the battery. The battery is not really held on very tightly to the housing. We're gonna peel off the connector for the display, and we're gonna remove the display. We're gonna pry it off the housing just like what we did with the back cover. This time we're gonna be careful. We're gonna wear some thick gloves, because we're gonna be exposing David's hands to some sharp shards of glass. We're gonna scrape off the old glass at the corners here and all other sides. I'm gonna blow it off. And we will also inspect if there are bends on the frame. This is the phase where we do that. I'm gonna be very meticulous. And David has managed to see some deformities on the corners where the impact happened. So he just ground it off. We're gonna also put our own liquid adhesive. It's gonna be a sufficient amount so that we can keep the replacement display into the main housing. Gonna align it and press it in. Looking good so far. So everything from this point is just going to be a reverse of what we did in the first part of this video. So we're going to reassemble everything back. So all the components that we are gonna install here are original parts from the broken unit. The new one is still is just the replacement display. I'm gonna put all the connectors back in, make sure everything is complete. I'm gonna cover the main board up, put back all the screws, and we'll do the final testing to see if it's working. So if you have any questions, guys, on the repairs that we do here in the shop, if you want a device fixed, maybe you can ask David through Messenger, Google, Instagram chats, or you can leave a comment down below so he can respond to you. Sometimes we don't have stocks on some of the models or brands. Sometimes we do have them. So just to make sure, before you go over, visit us, leave a comment so we can give you a free quote. And this Moto Edge 30 Neo is all working fine. Camera is also back online. That's David. Very, very happy. Do some testing to speakers, see if they're working. And they are. We're just gonna clean it up and cover it up with the back cover, and we're done. So don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. We release new videos every day. If you're interested in learning some random stuff on smartphone repair, if you're keen on reusing your smartphone and want to do it on your own, you can use our videos, some sort of a guide. Not really an official guide, but some sort of help so we can get some tips. So thanks for joining, guys. We'll see you again next time. Take care. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.